Microwave-assisted reactor, the new age, sustainable, and rapid heating solution. At Circular Ecotech, we have built a prototype which can work from room temperature to 1200 Celsius with more operational control. It can handle any type of raw material in any phase. This reactor is electrically powered and fully customizable according to the needs. We call it MARP. If you're looking for a cleaner and rapid heating solution, then this technology is best for you. May it be the drying of food products up to 150 degrees Celsius or full carbonization of biomass at 700 to 800 degrees Celsius to get biochar, or may it be the activation of the charcoal at 1000 degrees Celsius, this reactor can work best at any temperature level. Currently, we have installed power of a total of 9,000 watts with 6 magnetrons in play and a reactor volume of 3.5 liters. The total connected load of the system is around 14 kilowatts. The feeding and recovery screw conveyors are used to feed the raw material into the system and recover the material after processing. The feeding is inclined and has a hopper to feed in the material. The recovery screw conveyor is attached at the bottom of the reactor and is provided with a water jacket to cool down the processed material. Both conveyors have independent control and can be worked in both manual and auto control modes. The auto control mode has 3 timers: process time, recovery time, and feeding time, triggering one after the other in the loop. The MARP has a separate control with a tunable power range of 0 to 9,000 watts with 150 watt steps. The magnetron generating microwaves are air and water cooled. Power levels are set using time switching, and data is managed via the HMI. In addition to power, the main time must be set to determine the machine's operation duration. A thermostat on each magnetron trips at 70 degrees Celsius for safety. Temperature control is managed by setting upper and lower temperature limits. Thermal sensors inside the reactor monitor the temperature. The system features vertical mass flow, controlled by conveyors. Initially, the system is manually fed, and heating is started independently. During the initial boot up, the machine operates without feeding or material recovery until the desired temperature is reached. Rapid heating can achieve 1000 degrees Celsius within 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the material. Once the target temperature is reached, the conveyors switch to auto mode and continue until the system is shut down. Gases generated are released through an exhaust at the top of the feeding conveyor and should be burnt to reduce hydrocarbons. This technology certainly has the potential to rewrite the heating methodologies and advance towards a more sustainable and cleaner way. Circular Ecotech is on its toes to assist you in helping towards your sustainable goals.